Hey fellas, these are 10 signs that you are a sucker. Number 1, if putting a woman in her place makes you feel uncomfortable, you are a sucker. Number 2, if you're afraid to cut a woman off at any given moment, you are a sucker. Number 3, if you let a woman disrespect you in private or public, you are a sucker. Number 4, if you stay in a relationship or a marriage and you know for a fact that that woman cheated on you, you are a sucker. Number 5, if you're in a relationship or a marriage that doesn't benefit you, you are a sucker. Number 6, if a woman doesn't give you shut up and obedience, you are a sucker. Number 7, if you live in your life to please a woman, you miserable and a sucker. Number 8, if you're paying all the bills for a woman that you're not married to, you are a sucker. Number 9, if you buy a house with a woman that you're not married to, you are a sucker. Number 10, if you let your woman run the relationship, you are a sucker. Let's leave that sucker shit